Sorry about all the crap on the table. We got a turn 14 box here. Well, if you help me.
Like you're doing it so independently.
Why don't you come up?
Oh, sorry, Rhino.
What did we get? What did we get? Ooh. Shout out Fox Racing. You know what this is? You don't know.
No.
How do you not know? We got 2 steering stabilizers.
Oh.
Ooh, get them. All right, cool. So these are in. I think you even got a sticker. It's not complete without a sticker. If you didn't get a sticker, you didn't get shit. Just kidding. All right, cool. So that's another install we have to do, which Bella's gonna do. And then, what else did he send us? He sent us everything? Yeah, he sent us everything. All right, we're good. Okay, cool. All right, so that's just a little bit of an update.
Sorry.
We got new tie rod ends. We need an alignment, but we are driving the truck. Well, I'm driving the truck, you know.
Maybe on his.
It is my truck. It's your truck. My truck on the weekends, your truck during the week.
Or just get the BMW.
Oh, she just wants
the
my
truck.
Yeah. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. We are going to head to Jonathan's house. We're going to install the steering stabilizers. And he's going to do a majority of the work, so it should be pretty easy. Bella's at a cheer competition. Hi Jonathan.
Hi.
Hi Jalal.
How you doing?
You ready to do my install?
Yeah.
We'll get to work. Staring at me. So let's talk about what's needed. I have new tie rod ends because I need new tie rod ends. Okay, I already know that. And then I already have the one bracket, so you wouldn't believe how hard it is to get the other 2 brackets that I'm about to show you. You think you'd be able to find them anywhere. So these 2 brackets go on the end, and these U-bolts. You can't just buy these. You have to order a whole kit. You know you have to order a whole kit.
Yeah. You see mine?
Whatever, bro. So Jonathan's putting on the first bracket, and since I already have that thing, it's gonna make this a lot easier, I hope. Went with Fox shocks.
Yeah.
Or Fox steering stabilizers. So the one thing I did the other day is I got a new door for 50, well, a used door for 50 bucks, and it's a 25 footer. Doesn't look bad. It's got some needs a little help here and there, but we're gonna fix that up. But it's better than the old door. If you don't remember the old door, I'll put a picture of the old door. How's it coming, John?
It's going great.
Let's go, buddy. Not looking too hopeful right now. What do you think?
I think you're doing pretty good, actually.
Do you think that's the way it goes?
Definitely not.
No, definitely not.
That's why we got an instruction sheet.
Well, I'm holding it, which is good.
That don't look right either. Maybe we have the wrong bracket.
Vinny?
Yeah.
You gotta change your bracket.
Ooh.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure. Look.
That won't take that long, would it? Looks pretty easy enough.
No, see, that shouldn't matter. So what happened, Jonathan? We missing parts?
Missing more than parts.
To be continued?
To be continued.
Okay, so because I have a bootleg kit here, I went to the store and picked up some hardware. So we're gonna try to map this out. So, theory is this will ride here, right? This will ride on the inside bracket. And we're going to use this hardware. Wish me luck. So, this does not fit. It fits there, doesn't fit there. Okay, so got that one on. I had Leo turn the wheel all the way to the right to screw that in, and now we have the wheel all the way to the left. I'm gonna get the other one on and see how it feels. All right. Bella was not here to help. Really sucked, but I had Leo, so thank you, Leo. We got it on. I'm sure it's not 100% correct. And honestly, it didn't even really need it. The truck has coilovers on it. Goes down the road pretty straight. The only time I get a little bit of a jerk is when I hit the brakes and the tires catch the crown of the road. Other than that, the truck drives great. Dealing with a vibration issue, can't figure that out. But I'll bring that to you guys next week for help if I can't figure it out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, advice. You know, we really don't know what we're doing, so we're just trying to figure it out. I'm trying to teach my kids. It's supposed to be Bella's truck, and I can't remember the last time she worked on this. And we still got upper and lower ball joints to do. We got a bunch of crap to do, but we're trying. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.